Activités et loisirs, enjoying activities and leisure in French. Hello, French language enthusiasts. In today's session, we're diving into the fun world of activities and leisure in French. Whether you're discussing hobbies or planning leisure activities, these phrases will come in handy. Let's start with loisir, meaning leisure activities. To ask someone about their hobbies, you can say, Quels sont vos loisirs? Or Quels sont tes hobbies? Which means, what are your hobbies? For sports enthusiasts, phrases like Je joue au football, I play football, or Je fais de la natation, I go swimming, are common. Replace football and natation with other sports as needed. If you enjoy cultural activities, you might say J'aime aller au cinéma, I like going to the cinema, or Je visite des musées, I visit museums. These are great for sharing your interests in arts and culture. Outdoor activities can be expressed with phrases like Je fais de la randonnée, I go hiking, or Je fais du camping, I go camping. These are perfect for nature lovers and adventurers. For quieter hobbies, you might use Je lis des livres, I read books, or Je fais de la peinture, I do painting. These are great for expressing more introspective leisure activities. Social activities are a big part of leisure. Phrases like Je sors avec des amis, I go out with friends, or Je vais à des concerts, I go to concerts, are useful for describing social pursuits. Remember, practicing these phrases in context, whether in conversation or through writing, will enhance your fluency and confidence. Share your hobbies with others in French and learn about theirs. That concludes our guide to activities and leisure in French. With these phrases, you're ready to express your hobbies and engage in leisure activities in French-speaking environments. Keep practicing and enjoy.